Hi, I'm Gautam Rao. I have a background in engineering. I used to also run a workshop. Recently, we had to buy a car. The obvious choice was a Volkswagen because A, it's a German car, and B, it's a German car, and C, it's a German car. And come time for service, I had the usual customer jitters. And actually, I was like a hawk on them to see whether they're going to follow the processes. The mechanic took his own time to repair it. He followed process, he followed systems, he used the pneumatic wrenches, set the correct torque when he had to tighten, say, a retaining nut on the tire, change the torque when he had to loosen the tie rod ends. As a technocrat, I wouldn't look further. When my car had met with a slight accident on the side, VW could match the metallic finish. In hindsight, Volkswagen came with good driving quality, high safety standards, but it also supports you with high service standards and zero compromise. Volkswagen calls it service, I call it competence.
Volkswagen.